Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most talked about meme coins in the history of cryptocurrency, Dogecoin. With the market cap heating up in just this year 2025, investors are asking the big question, should you buy Dogecoin now or wait or for some sidelines? So in this video we will cover the latest price update, the institutional interest, the potential of ETF approval, future price prediction, and of course the risk you need to know before investing. So more sure to stick around until the end for a complete breakdown. Let's start with the current market cap update. Dogecoin stands today at the time of a recording of this video. Dogecoin is trading around 21 cents, moving in a tight consolidation range between 21 and 22 cents. This stability comes after a period of volatility earlier in this year. What's interesting is that despite being a meme token, Dogecoin is showing the resilience in holding above the key moving averages. Okay, on-chain data also suggests whales are interested, and whales accumulating Dogecoin in their wallet, which often signal preparation for the potential breakout in the future. Okay, as if I see you the current technical chart of that Dogecoin, you can see there is a breakout recently. Okay, on 7th of July, breakout this line act as a resistance. Dogecoin break it very beautifully, and trading above this breakout point is around 0.18 dollar. Okay, also as a support, this line is creating as a very good support. Institutional and whale interest is also creating so much of buzz around Dogecoin. One of the biggest shift we have seen in 2025 is the entry of institutional investors, especially in Dogecoin. Reports show that whales and large funds now control nearly 27% of the supply, and over $6 million was allocated to the Dogecoin in Q2 alone. This is a significant because Dogecoin was once seen as a joke coin, but today it is attracting serious money. Institutional demand can create long-term stability and could act as a catalyst for higher price if momentum continue. As there is a news, or you can say a rumor, so something else, so ETF approval potential is also there. Now here is where things get exciting. The US SEC is currently reviewing new rules for crypto ETF, and expert says Dogecoin could open soon its own ETF approval. If this happen, it would make Dogecoin accessible to mainstream investors through regulated stock market, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum. An ETF launch could pour billions in fresh liquidity into Dogecoin and significantly impact price action. For many analysts, this is the number one bullish drive in watch in late 2025. So it can be happen at any time. So let's hope for the best. The SEC will approve the Dogecoin ETF. It will make a huge impact in the price of Dogecoin. Let's see and watch what will happen next before end of this year. Very good news comes from the Dogecoin. You can see on their Twitter channel platform, the Elon Musk lawyer Alex Spiro said chair 200 million Dogecoin treasury fortune. So it is a bullish signal. Okay, so it will also make an impact in the price and on the market cap of the Dogecoin in future. It's a very bullish and positive news for Dogecoin and Dogecoin community, especially Dogecoin holders. So now let's talk about the price forecast, especially for this year. Okay, So where do the analyst thinks Dogecoin is headed in 2025? There is a one particular platform, Chengli, predict Dogecoin could reach 0.28. As you can see, it is a very good at this level. There is some kind of resistance also happening in past. On 21st of July, the price exactly was 0.28. Okay, so it will be the first major resistance which can face Dogecoin in future. If I draw a fresh trend line according to this point, by following this trend line, the Dogecoin can touch at this level. Okay, if Dogecoin touch at this level, there will be an increment of around 50%. Okay, so there is a potential in future ke Dogecoin can test 0.03 level also in future. But if ETF approve, then what will happen? The Dogecoin can test $1 mark. Okay, the $1 mark, 5 times increment. Okay, 5 times increment. If Dogecoin able to touch $1 mark, it is possible only if ETF is approved before 2025 end. Okay, so it will be very big impact. And this is crypto. There are some kind of risk, and also the competition is there in crypto market. Before you rush to buy, let's talk risk. Dogecoin still has no capped supply. It means the supply is unlimited. As the time pass, supply also increase. Okay, meaning coins can be printed indefinitely. Unlike other crypto, it also does not have strong utility. Staking rewards or decentralized finance ecosystem, there are lack of these services. Okay, so this make it heavily reliant on the hype and market sentiment, and competition is growing. New meme coins like other meme coins like Pepe, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. Okay, and some new kinds of project is also in there to give good competition for to the Dogecoins. Okay, so it will depend on the market scenario what will be the risk. So risk is also always there in crypto. So buy or not, when to buy or when to not. If you are looking for a speculative upside, Dogecoin could deliver solid return, especially with ETF approval and rising whale accumulation. But if you prefer utility and long-term innovation, you may want to diversify into project offering staking and real-world application. In simple, Dogecoin can still be a good play for a small portion of your portfolio, but it should not be your only bet. Okay, so don't put all your money in Dogecoin alone. And that's it for today Dogecoin update. The decision to buy or not comes down to your risk tolerance and investment strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comment. Will you be buying Dogecoin in 2025 or not? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for this video.